Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Shar, and today we are going to do my closeout for my third paycheck for July. So if this is the type of content that you like, please stick around. Okay, before we get started with the closeout of my budget, let's go ahead and unstuff my wallet. So I have $2 left for my spending. I have $4 in eating out. In groceries, I have 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, and 45. In fuel, we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, and 69. And in miscellaneous, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then my medicine stays there. So our total amount that we have, let me get this together. So what we have for our rollover is 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 120, 21, 2, 3, 4, and 25. So we have 125 that we are going to roll over into our budget. Okay guys, so for my full-time paycheck, I got $1,767.38. For my part-time, I got $870.14. For other, which my kids are paying me for their portion of their cruise, it's $240. Now for rollover, I have 3 different things. So I have 125 that came out of my wallet. We have $100 that is coming from my annual pay sinking funds that I need to pay for a bill. And then we have $1,455 that we unstuffed from my sinking funds. And if you didn't watch that video, I will try and link it down below. I unstuffed majority of my sinking funds so that I can put that money towards debt. So our total amount that we have for rollover / pulling from our sinking funds is $1,680. So our total amount of income that we are working with $4,557.52. Now, for mortgage, I budgeted $50, and that's still going to be the same. Since this is the third paycheck, I don't need to put half aside for my mortgage. But this $50 is going to go, it's going to be extra towards my escrow. Pest control is $54.18. Apple Care is $13.49. My Amrenue bill is $16.10. I have not got my city bill, and I'm actually just going to do $170 instead of $180. Car insurance is a $143.64. This is the last monthly payment for this. Then we go to biannual payments. For the cruise portion, I'm putting $400, $240 for my kids, and $160 from me. And then my security camera subscription I can't spell. Okay. Ooh, that's horrible. Security camera subscription is $100 from Amazon. From Amazon. I pay the subscription service through Amazon. It's $100. So our total for our bill section is $947.41. Now I'm going to subtract that from $4,557.52. And we have $3,610.11. So for my variable, therapy will be $30 and my medication will be $30. My the minimum amount that I pay towards my credit card, the one that I have debt on, is $125. Groceries will be $175. I am upping home up to $25. Fuel will still be $160. Spending will not be $100. Spending will be $40. I don't know what I was thinking, give myself $100, because no. $30 in eating out. We was living a dream, y'all. Miscellaneous will be $5 and buffer will be $10. So our total amount for variable will be $630. So I'm going to subtract that from $36.10.11. So we have $2,980.11. So for our home maintenance, we are doing $75 as always and $10 for our Ally as always. Now for our sinking funds, the rollover portion of $125. And my base amount, what I want to do, is $250 for my sinking funds. But one of my envelopes I need to get it up ahead. I don't even know if that makes sense. I need to stuff a little more in that envelope, so I'm going to add 70. So we are only doing $445 for our sinking funds. Now, for my Fed tax to pay off one of these debts, I believe it's $390, but I am putting $450 towards that debt. And then let's see what that leaves me at for my extra debt payment for my credit card. So that leaves me with exactly $2,000.11 that we are going to put towards this credit card. And that should bring me under $2,000 debt that I owe. So the grand total here is $2,980.11. So we have $0. So that's our budget right there. Now, let's do, we're going to do our sinking fund budget, and then we're going to do our cash planning. Give me just a second. Okay, so for my sinking funds, we are doing $445 plus the $30 that I budget for my therapy. So the few envelopes that I'm stuffing will be car upkeep will be $25. I know I need an oil change that's coming up. Medical will be $10. And wardrobe will be $10. And then self-care, I do believe, is getting 65 this paycheck. Car insurance is our usual 60, and then annual pay is also our usual 40. Therapy is 30. Toiletries will be 10. In our yard work, we are doing 60. So car upkeep is 25, 10, 65, 10, 60, 40, 30, 10, 60. Okay, so then car tax and property tax are both 10. School, we had the rollover of 125. And then Halloween will be 5. Thanksgiving will be 5. And Christmas will be 5. That don't seem right. Okay, so actually self-care is supposed to be 60. And then that would make Christmas 10. And then this should all equal up to 10 plus 5 is 5. Okay, maybe I was right. Maybe this is supposed to be 65. Lord help me. Let's add again. Oh, shoot. Okay, 475. So I was right in the beginning. 65 is for self-care, and Christmas still gets a 10, and we equal out to 475. Okay, so that is it for this budget closeout. We have done our sinking fund plan. We've closed out our budget. Now when I actually get paid tomorrow, I'll pull out the amount of cash, which is totals to $940. I'll pull that money out. We will stuff our wallet and our sinking funds, and then we'll be good to go. So until then, I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, blessed day. Bye.